Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to maximize your chances of obtaining ZKS tokens, the token associated with CKSync. Please note that the token hasn't been confirmed yet, and this guide assumes there won't be a future airdrop. Let's begin with the first step, bridging your Ethereum from the ZKSync era to the CKSync era mainnet. To do this, visit bridge.techsign.io. Click on Deposit and fill in the amount of Ethereum you want to bridge. Make sure to leave some Ethereum in your wallet for gas fees. Once done, click Deposit to complete the bridging process. Next, we'll use the SyncSwap platform. Visit syncswap.io where you can swap Ethereum for USDC or vice versa. If you've bridged your Ethereum, you can use it for swapping. Enter the desired amount, confirm the swap, and approve it in your MetaMask wallet. After swapping, we'll move to adding liquidity to a liquidity pool. On SyncSwap, click on Pools and select the USDC Ethereum pool. Deposit the desired amount of USDC and Ethereum in equal value. Make sure to unlock USDC in MetaMask and confirm the deposit. You can follow the same process on other platforms like SpaceSwap and MuteSwap. Swap Ethereum for USDC and then add liquidity to the respective pools. Now let's explore minting your own NFT on mintsquare.io. Select the ZKSync era mainnet, go to Mint, upload an image for your NFT, give it a name, and click Mint. Confirm the transaction in MetaMask by paying the gas fee. Lastly, visit Crew3, XYZ ZKSync to complete tasks offered by Crew3 in collaboration with ZKSync. These tasks help you gain reputation in the CKSync Discord, although they don't directly relate to the airdrop. Still, it's a good idea to complete these tasks as it may positively impact your eligibility for the airdrop. Remember, the key is to continue using the CKSync ecosystem. Bridge assets back and forth between Ethereum and CKSync, utilize dApp services, swap tokens, add or withdraw from liquidity pools, mint NFTs, and stay updated with the latest developments. The more you engage with the mainnet and its applications, the higher your chances of being eligible for the airdrop. Keep in mind that there may be additional actions and opportunities in the future. Stay connected by subscribing to my channel and following me on Twitter for updates. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Good luck, take care, and bye for now.